Student, today we will do question number 10 from exercise 2, Concise Mathematics class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. Question is 10. Mohan has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 2 years at 6% per annum. Simple interest. If he gets rupees 1,200 as interest at the time of maturity, and the monthly installment and the amount of maturity. So first, what is given? Time. N is equal to given 24. 2 years means 24 months. A rate R is equal to 6%. Interest is rupee 1,200. So first, the monthly installment. So we will use formula this I is equal to P into N plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. I is equal to 1,200 equal to P. P we have to find 24 into 25 by 2 into 12. R is 6%, so 6 by 100. 24, this is cut. 25 4 this. So P is equal to then 1,200 multiply 4 by 6. 6, this is 200 means rupees 800. This is P. Now number 2, the amount of maturity. Amount of maturity is equal to P into N plus I. So P is given 800 into N 24 plus I is given 1,200. If we will multiply, this plus 1,200. If we will add this, so rupees 2,400. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.